How to make the most of cauliflower in your healthy diet. Cauliflower is a versatile vegetable that can be used in a variety of dishes, making it a great addition to any healthy diet. Not only is it low in calories, but it's also packed with essential nutrients that can help you maintain a balanced diet. In this video, we'll explore some practical suggestions for improving cauliflower and making the most of this nutritious vegetable. First, let's talk about the nutritional benefits of cauliflower. This cruciferous vegetable is an excellent source of vitamin C, vitamin K, and folate, which are essential for maintaining a healthy immune system, blood clotting, and cell growth. It's also rich in fiber, which can help you feel fuller for longer and improve your digestion. Now, let's move on to some practical suggestions for incorporating cauliflower into your diet. One of the easiest ways to enjoy cauliflower is by roasting it. Simply chop the cauliflower into bite-sized pieces. Toss them with some olive oil, salt, and pepper, and roast them in the oven until they're golden brown and crispy. You can also add some garlic or herbs to give them more flavor. Another great way to enjoy cauliflower is by making cauliflower rice. Simply pulse the cauliflower in a food processor until it's broken down into tiny rice-sized pieces. Then sauté it in a pan with some onion and garlic. You can use cauliflower rice as a base for stir-fries, curries, or even as a low-carb alternative to regular rice. If you're looking for a healthy snack, try making cauliflower popcorn. Simply cut the cauliflower into small florets. Toss them with some nutritional yeast, garlic powder, and salt, and roast them in the oven until they're crispy and golden. This healthy snack is a great alternative to regular popcorn and is packed with nutrients. Finally, don't be afraid to get creative with cauliflower. You can use it as a substitute for mashed potatoes, pizza crust, or even as a low-carb alternative to bread. The possibilities are endless. So don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. In conclusion, cauliflower is a nutritious and versatile vegetable that can be used in a variety of dishes. By roasting it, making cauliflower rice, or even using it as a substitute for bread, you can make the most of this healthy vegetable. So, next time you're at the grocery store, be sure to pick up some cauliflower and give these practical suggestions a try. Your body will thank you.